Hey guys, I'm back again, and I am so excited to share with you this Homeleafy hydroponic system so you can grow plants in the comfort of your own home and be able to digitally take care of them. Check it out.
As you can see here, the hydroponic system comes with all of the things that you need: grow sponges, planting brackets, germination domes, pod stickers, tweezers, and instructions that make it super easy to follow. I really appreciate how easy it is to put this together. Reasons why you want to do hydroponic plant growing is year-round growth with no sunlight needed because of lights. It's soilless, so you can grow things indoors, mess-free and pest-free, and y'all, 3 times faster than soil-based agriculture, which is great. So everything's going to be green, healthy, edible, and it makes it very hassle-free. A super cool feature is that it has an intuitive app that you can download that easily allows you to control the hydroponic system, from turning it on and off, adjusting the water pump mode, or setting the light intensity and scheduling all of your hours of operation times. It's super easy to use. The light spectrum is amazing. You're able to move it up and down with this button, but it has red, blue, white, and infrared LED lights, which is going to allow you to be able to emulate the sunshine and be able to get the perfect growing, whether you're doing the light mode of vegetable and herbs or if you're growing flowers and fruits. This part is really fun. So you take your sponge and you use your tweezers and you place the correct amount of seeds into the pod, put the cap on, and simply just put it into the machine. This makes it really easy to be able to have the correct amount of space and not have to use soil and create a mess. Speaking of a great space, it's also space saving. You can use it on the most underutilized kitchen space that there is, and it's super efficient. You can even enjoy doing this with your children and teaching them to love plants. The Homeleafy hydroponic system is gorgeous. I love that it can fit on the counter and it can look amazing. I love that it's shiny, and I love that as the plants are growing, it's gonna almost look like a plant in a pot. So it's gonna decorate that unutilized kitchen space while you're actually growing food that you can eat. It's also perfect as a gift for any occasion and to help create lasting memories together.